He's asleep. I can hear him snoring.
I hear my husband snore.
Snorting water from a mountain stream.
Rosa, I caught
If I don't clear
mid-snore.
my sinuses, I'll snore all night.
Didn't I tell you he snores?
No, that snoring was the lady next to me.
You smell like shit.
Madcap Maxie is heavily favored to put the wrong snore on Braddock.
Yes, you were. He always snored.
Peter's snoring.
That's snore. Do I?
Yes, pattern. Nothing happens. I'm snoring.
He's asleep. I can hear him snoring. About 900 miles away. Come on.
Hark! I hear my husband snore.
What the hell happened to the light?
And foraging together for sustenance. Snorting water from a mountain stream. Picking the grubs and burrs from one another.
Rosa, I caught mid-snore. I could swear I heard her call me a sow.
Why? What? That's it. If I don't clear my sinuses, I'll snore all night. Gee, if your kid spills his milk, what do you want to hear this?
How are you? Didn't I tell you he snores?
Nick, how are you?
I thought she was awesome.
I thought you were a little bored there at the beginning.
No, that snoring was the lady next to me. I loved every minute of it.
Yeah, man. You gotta go. You smell like shit. And you keep snoring so loud.
Am I?
Yeah.
I'll let it go a couple of rounds.
Madcap Maxie is heavily favored to put the wrong snore on Braddock here in the first round. That big right hand of his has dynamite in it.
You're snoring.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. He always snored.
Where are we?
Well. And Peter's snoring. We won't miss that.
You've been snoring away happily for hours.
I don't snore. Do I?
Like a pig.
I suppose I talk in my sleep.
Red shit here. Some girl in a fight with her boyfriend. It's a test pattern. Nothing happens. I'm snoring.
Lenny, you're always telling me, bring you...
You're lucky you're not next to him.
What do you mean? You snore. Oh, I don't. Anyway, you've got bad breath.
Well, it's only because you don't brush...
Somebody who is game. All I've heard out of you so far is talk. I know you can drink whiskey and snore and spit and wallow in filth and bemoan your station. The rest has been braggadocio.
But you can't put us both in the same room. I won't sleep. This man snores.
I'm sorry, Herr Morgan, but we're overcrowded. For tonight...
Was I snoring?
Liver lips. Talk for 2 hours and a half on the Brompton sewage scheme bill. Couldn't hear yourself for snores.
Do you notice it, Henry?
I'm in the house.
Yeah, that's where you're wondering.
You been sleeping in here?
He doesn't snore much.
You Vasquez?
Oh, we're here?
Yeah.
Was I snoring?
No, just sleeping.
Sorry.
I forgot. You know, I never saw someone with one eye open snore so much.
I snore.
Like a baby.
Husbands. How much did you get for the ring?
Oh, he was boring and jealous and he snored.
Down there is a man in agony. And the guard is sound asleep and snoring like a wild dog.
You think that noise is the guard?
Stay awake.
You know you got a snoring problem?
Really?
Incarcerated in this semi-private room, you snore. While there are no efforts being made for anyone to try to locate.
Did I snore?
Well, it's nice of you to ask. No.
Take your bearings now so you can find it when you need it. If you don't like my snoring, you can build your own cabin tomorrow. I'll furnish the axe.
Shy.
No, I'm not. I just,
Did I snore last night? Sometimes I snore when I'm drunk.
I don't remember.
Couldn't have been her, Mum. She's been in bed for an hour. I could hear her snoring.
That's odd.
We're gonna have to call the club and have them know that there might be a whole room full of snoring old ladies.
That's good. I'm gonna give them a call and give them a heads up, make sure they know.
Is this open? Doctor, we gotta get some sleep now. Make some Z's.
I hope you don't snore. I have to send you back to Germany.
That's better than Philadelphia.
Where's Bob?
Crashed down his room.
Snoring like a horse.
On this, but I think I actually sleep better up here away from her snoring. Over.